from Sahara Waterproofing. This is another wall that was leaking. We waterproofed the other side, so we had to jackhammer this wall here. So it's two different walls. So this wall right here, we already waterproofed on the other side. I will show you. We have a French drain and sump pump. Now it's this wall right here that has the wood on the wall here. It's got a tar on there, fake waterproofing. That doesn't stop hydrostatic pressure, so I don't know why they would tar on the inside. So this is an addition they did, I don't know, about 20 years ago, and this house was built in the 50s. So you can see all the water is, you can see all the mud is traveling down here, through here, and then going down into here, and then into the closet where we have a lot of water. So my man Jose is going to jackhammer this up right now. We're going to put a French drain that ties into the sump pump on the other side of the wall, which I will show you. Jose's on the other side, so we're going to break out, come out from the wall approximately somewhere around here, and then we're going to tie into the sump pump, which has an existing 4-inch perforated PVC pipe already that we already did here. So that's the solar sump pump. So we're going to come out, bust out from this wall, 90 degree, and then tie right into the sump pump. And then this is the job we did the other day. So we have water coming out through the wall above, about 4 foot high. So we put the drain tile on the wall. You can see. It gets all the water. So we've got two different issues. This wall and the side wall that's leaking. We stop this from coming in. All this is done. All the water's running behind this drain tile. And then down into the perforated PVC pipe. Down into the sump pump. And this will be discharged right up into, you can see, the silver line. So we have a lot of work here, you can see. I'll take it back in the other room real quick so you can see.